Assalamualaikum. I'm Dr. Kasim Jalil, the Director of Student Recruitment and Admission Division, University Technology Malaysia, UTM. We are one of the top 5 Malaysian universities in Malaysia. UTM is ranked top 50 in Asia and top 200 in the world by QS World University Ranking 2020. UTM is the Malaysian premier university in engineering and technology. A good news for those who are thinking of studying in Malaysia, we would like to inform you that we will be participating in QETC Study Malaysia Fair in Hargeisa. Please grab this opportunity to meet us and be part of UTM. Thank you.
UTM is an ideal place to study in.